Welcome to the Citra21 channel, your gateway for exciting and engaging content. We're your trusted sidekick in the buzzing world of YouTube, serving up fresh insights and practical tips. Today, we're diving into the realm of YouTube mastery, guiding you on how to create valuable content and monetize your channel. So, whether you're just starting out or looking to supercharge your content creation journey, you're in the right place. Join us for an exciting journey. Subscribe for the latest video release. Creating valuable content is the cornerstone of a successful YouTube channel. This is a mantra that every aspiring YouTube creator should take to heart. But what is valuable content? It's content that resonates with your viewers, content that they find useful, entertaining, or inspiring. It's content that keeps them coming back for more. Now, how do we create such content? The first step is understanding your audience. What are their interests? What problems are they facing that you can offer solutions to? What kind of content do they enjoy or find valuable? Once you have a clear picture of your audience, you can create content that speaks directly to them. Next, be original. YouTube is a vast ocean filled with all types of content. If you want to stand out, you need to offer something unique. Don't just follow the trends, create them. Bring something new to the table that your viewers haven't seen before. This could be a fresh perspective, a unique presentation style, or a novel way of approaching a topic. Originality breeds loyalty among your audience, and loyal viewers are the backbone of a successful channel. Lastly, deliver high-quality production. This doesn't necessarily mean you need the most expensive equipment. Rather, it means taking the time to ensure your videos are well produced. This includes good sound quality, clear visuals, and effective editing. A well-produced video not only demonstrates your professionalism, but also enhances your viewers' experience. And remember, creating valuable content is not a one-time thing. It's a continuous process. Keep learning, keep experimenting, keep improving. Understand that not every video will be a hit, and that's okay. What's important is that you remain committed to delivering value to your audience. Remember, valuable content is your ticket to YouTube's success. It's the fuel that drives your channel's growth. It's what turns casual viewers into loyal subscribers. And most importantly, it's what allows you to turn your passion into profit. So, get out there and start creating your valuable content today. Now that you've got valuable content, let's turn that into profit. Making money on YouTube isn't as daunting as it may seem. There are several ways you can monetize your channel, and with the right strategies, it can be a lucrative venture. Firstly, you can earn through ads. YouTube's partner program allows you to make money from ads displayed on your videos. The more views and clicks your ads get, the more money you make. But remember, it's important to keep your content engaging so viewers don't skip your ads. Next, sponsorships are another great way to earn. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products or services. If your channel aligns with the brand's target audience, they might just sponsor your videos. But be careful, only accept sponsorships from brands you trust and that resonate with your audience. Merchandise is another avenue to consider. If you've built a loyal following, selling merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or even digital products related to your content can be profitable. This not only provides additional income, but also strengthens your brand identity. Now here are some tips to maximize your earnings. Diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on one method. Combine ads, sponsorships, and merchandise to maximize your profits. Also, be consistent with your content. More content means more views, more ad revenue, and more potential sponsors. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Ask for feedback. Make your viewers feel valued. The more engaged your audience, the more likely they'll watch your ads, buy your merchandise, or support your sponsors. Finally, always keep learning. Stay updated with YouTube's policies and trends. The digital world is ever-changing, and staying ahead of the curve will keep your channel profitable. With the right strategies, monetizing your YouTube channel can be a lucrative venture. Remember, your passion can indeed turn into profit. And with these tips, you're well on your way to YouTube success. Starting a YouTube channel from scratch may seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. In fact, it can be quite an adventure filled with creativity, learning, and growth. So let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1. Creating an account. This is as easy as pie. All you need is a Google account. If you don't already have one, head over to Google, click on Sign Up, and follow the instructions. Once your Google account is set up, you're ready to create your YouTube channel. Step 2. Setting up your channel. Log into YouTube using your Google account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. Here, you'll be asked to choose a channel name. Make sure it's something unique, catchy, and representative of the content you plan to create. Step 3. Customizing your channel. This is where you get to show off your personality. You can add a channel description, profile picture, banner image, and links to your social media accounts. These elements give viewers a glimpse of who you are and what your channel is about. Step 4. Creating your first video. Start with a topic you're passionate about. Remember, your first video doesn't have to be perfect. The key is to start and learn as you go. Once your video is ready, it's time to upload. Click on the Create button, select Upload Video, and follow the prompts. Step 5. Optimizing your video for search. This involves adding a title, description, tags, and thumbnails. These elements should be engaging and include relevant keywords to help your video show up in search results. Step 6. Engaging with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. This not only helps you understand your audience better, but also boosts your channel's visibility. And there you have it, your very own YouTube channel is up and running. The journey may seem long, but remember, every great creator started from scratch. Now, it's your turn to make your mark. Happy creating. Already have a YouTube channel? It's time to level up. So, you've established your channel, created some content, and built a small following. Now it's time to kick it up a notch. Let's talk about some advanced strategies to grow your channel like a pro. Firstly, let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. It's not as complicated as it sounds, promise. SEO is all about making your content discoverable. Use keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags that your target audience is likely to search for. But remember, don't overdo it. Keep it natural and relevant to your content. Next, consider collaborating with other YouTubers. Collaborations can be a win-win for everyone involved. You get to tap into their audience and vice versa. It can be as simple as a shout-out or as involved as a joint video project. Now, onto social media. It's not just for posting pictures of your lunch anymore. Use it to promote your channel. Share your videos, engage with your followers, and build a community around your channel. And don't forget about cross-promotion. If you have a blog, website, or podcast, use those platforms to drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Another advanced strategy is to analyze your channel's performance. YouTube. Analytics is a powerful tool that can provide you with valuable insights. What videos are your viewers watching the most? When do they tune out? Use this information to fine-tune your content strategy. Lastly, don't forget about consistency. It's one of the key elements of a successful YouTube channel. Stick to a regular posting schedule and keep your content quality high. Your viewers will come to expect and look forward to your videos. Remember, growing a YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep experimenting, learning, and improving. With these tips, your YouTube channel is set to soar to new heights. We've covered a lot today, from creating valuable content to monetizing your channel. We started by emphasizing the importance of crafting engaging, high-quality content. It's the main ingredient in your YouTube success recipe. Remember, Your content should be driven by passion, originality, and value. This isn't just about making videos, it's about creating an experience for your viewers. We then moved on to discuss the various ways you can monetize your channel. This included ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise. Each offers a unique opportunity to turn your passion into profit. But remember, monetization should never compromise the quality of your content. Then we delved into the process of starting a YouTube channel from scratch. We highlighted that it's never too late to start, and with a clear vision, dedication, and a bit of patience, you too can build a successful YouTube channel. Finally, we explored how to level up your channel. This involves consistent uploading, engaging with your community, and staying updated with the latest YouTube trends. But the journey doesn't end here. Apply these tips to your own YouTube journey. Experiment, learn, and adapt. Remember, YouTube mastery isn't achieved overnight. It's a continuous process of growth and improvement. Don't forget to subscribe and share while still free for public. Thanks for watching Citra21 Channel.